Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LiveGood review video, I'd like to share with you the 7-step fast start training that we've created so you can become successful within LiveGood. And we are officially now the fastest growing team in LiveGood. And what we're going to give you is we're going to give you everything you need to succeed with the LiveGood program. So today is going to focus more on the 7-day fast start training. I'm going to take you inside and show you exactly what you're going to get. It doesn't have to be 7 days. You can call it 7 steps. You just take your time and follow these steps. And there'll be a link in the description where you can show you here where you can get your free power line position. So this is first thing you need to do is get your free position in the power line, and then from there, if you decide you want to join LiveGood, you can then get a position in the force matrix. So let's have a look at this fast start training and what we're going to give you. Very beginner friendly if you haven't made your first dollar online yet. So this is for beginners and intermediate marketers. So when you join our team, we'll send you this training. And day one is a tour of the members area so you can understand exactly what you get inside the members area. We teach you the compensation plan. So even though LiveGood has got an earn without referring income stream within the compensation plan, we do recommend and will teach you how to promote so you can open up multiple income streams. And that video there will explain. We've got Zoom trainings within the team, so you can watch one of the replays here. You can join LiveGood under your sponsor. You can also replicate this page. We've got Facebook groups, support groups for you. So we're going to hold your hand every step of the way. And then we've got a great training, some great trainings here by Tim Miller, Russell Curry, getting leads, getting customers, how to build LiveGood. That's just day one. Let's go, or step one. Let's go and have a look now into step two. So once you've completed step one, you might want to do this in your own time. If you're like me and you've got a full-time job, family, friends, and hobbies, you're very busy, you're doing this in pockets of time in your spare time, then take you inside the members area. All right, so you can log in on day two, on day three. Let's have a look at day three, or step three. Step three talks about the products, and you can get wholesale discount on these products. So a lot of the products, they're wellness products to keep you nice and healthy, and a lot of the products are organic, and there's some huge discounts on these products. You get between 30 and 70% discount on the products. An overview of the products. And then LiveGood are launching new products all the time. Let's have a look at day four. So day four, if you want to earn without referring, that's great. You can just join as an affiliate. It's a 40-time $1 payment to join as an affiliate, and then you pay $9.95, and then that $9.95 you pay every single month to become an affiliate and a member of the wholesale discount for the product. So we're going to teach you in this video here training on how to promote LiveGood. So we use Leads Leap, and the great thing about Leads Leap is you can use Leads Leap not just to build LiveGood, but you can use Leads Leap to promote any offer online. If you go onto my channel here, you see I use Leads Leap every single day to earn all the commissions that I'm showing you here, all the proof that I show you on my channel. I've been using Leads Leap now for quite some time. We give you a Leads Leap training course, video training course, step-by-step tutorials, and we give you Leads Leap share codes, so you can use additional free tools and resources to promote LiveGood. So let's go on to the next step, which will be step 5. And step 5 is Mega Marketing Pro. So Mega Marketing Pro is it's a free lead generating platform where you can use Mega Marketing Pro. You can promote it as a free lead system. We've put funnels inside Mega Marketing Pro so you can earn multiple income streams. So you're not only going to earn income from LiveGood. We've created this so you can earn multiple income streams within Mega Marketing Pro. You join Mega Marketing Pro there, and then we're teaching you not only to become successful with LiveGood, but how to become successful and earn multiple income streams in affiliate marketing. Okay, not quite sure what's happened there on that day. Got a little glitch on the system there. Let's go on to day 7. Let's have a look at day 7. And then day 7, we're going to teach you traffic. So traffic, we've got some recommended traffic sources. If you join any of these, you can put your affiliate links into here. So we teach you how to do that. So this is where you can start earning a traffic income as well as a LiveGood income. Some of these are free to join. So Udemy is free to join. Cash Juice is free to join. Second Splash and Traffic Ad Bar are free to join. These other 3 here, you'd have to pay to join and become an affiliate, but you can also use these to promote LiveGood. So it's a win-win situation. So we're not only teaching you how to earn an income from LiveGood, we're teaching you just promote one link. All you do is you promote one link, and then we'll teach you how to become successful with LiveGood and earn multiple income streams as well. So that's the link in the description where you get your power line position. And when you do that, you get access to a back office the same as this. And you'll see the speed of which LiveGood is growing. If you come down here, I'll just refresh this page so it's current and updated. So you'll see on the bottom left right hand corner here 13:27. So it's nearly 1:30 in the afternoon in the United Kingdom where I live. But down here, it's a live feed of people joining from all over the world. So in the last 2 minutes, 10 people have joined LiveGood. Now, that's why it's really key to get your power line position. And then if LiveGood's going to be for you, is to get a position in the matrix. Because if you go onto my video here on force matrix growth, you'll see that one of the commission payments is earn without referring. So you're going to get what's called force spillover from all those that join below you. So getting a position in the matrix is really key. There are no guarantees. There'll be an income disclaimer in the video. When you join the fastest growing team, which I'll just show you here, the growing team, then what happens is when their matrix fills up, the spillover has to come down to us. And that's how you can earn without referring. 2,800 members in this team. I joined this team for that reason, because 3 of these team members here are building very, very fast. They're in the top 10 of the leaderboard. And when their matrix fills up, the spillover has to come down to us. It's called force spillover. So when you go into your back office and your members area, that'll be explained in more detail. There are no guarantees, but you'll see in my my YouTube video on force matrix growth. This is already happening for me. And when I joined this team, there was, I think, 300 members, and now there's 2,800. And also within this Facebook group, we're going to give you all the help, support, and training that you need to become successful with LiveGood. If you'd like me to mentor you one-to-one, then I'll mentor you as well. But you're going to get all the help, support, and training within this group that you'll need to become successful with LiveGood. Some really successful affiliate marketers are in this group, and we'll hold your hand every step of the way as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And then please share this video with anybody you think would be interested or would get value from it. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about LiveGood, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So this is the page in the description, and there's no cost to reserve. There's no cost to reserve your free position. You can opt out at any time. Just put your name in there, first name, last name, a genuine email. You'll get some follow-ups by LiveGood. They'll update you on what's happening, and that way you can get inside the members area, and you get all the information to make an informed decision as to whether you think LiveGood is for you or not. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.